Today, we will be making Carneasada and salsa verde for our cooking project.
Before we start cooking, we want to make sure everyone washes their hands to prevent any transfer of bacteria from our hands to our food.
We also want to prep all of our ingredients to make sure that we can have an organized cooking station. We'll start off by marinating our flank steak. We want to keep our meat in the fridge because its temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the bottom range where bacteria start to grow on food.
To make the steak marinade, we chop and dice 1 jalapeno, 4 cloves of garlic, half a cup of cilantro. We then add the juice of 1 orange, 1 lime, and 1 lemon along with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of olive oil, salt, and pepper to our pan.
We then will add our steak to the pan and cover. Our steak is placed on the bottom shelf of the fridge to prevent cross-contamination as it has the highest minimum internal cooking temperature.
Next, we'll make a salsa verde to add to our dish. We started off by putting our rinsed tomatillos and garlic on a baking sheet into the broiler. This will add color to the vegetables as well as soften, sweeten, and remove the tartness flavor from them.
As our tomatillos are broiling, we will chop and prep the rest of our ingredients for our sauce. This includes a half a cup of onion, half cup cilantro, and 2 jalapenos. We will then add our broiled tomatillos, our chopped ingredients, along with 1 tablespoon of lime juice and salt to our blender. We will slowly blend and add all of our ingredients until smooth.
Now that our sauce is finished, we are ready to make our steak.
By cooking the steak on the iron skillet, we are demonstrating a heat transfer of conduction. This form of heat transfer occurs when we are cooking the meat through direct contact.
When we cook our steak, the fat between the muscle fibers and the steak melt, leaving behind small holes where the solid fat once was, ensuring that the final product is tender.
After we finish cooking, we want to make sure that the internal temperature of our flank steak is at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure food safety temperature. We then cut our steak into smaller pieces.
Now we will assemble our tacos, starting with a warm corn tortilla, carne asada, and finally our salsa and cheese on top. Thank you for watching our carne asada and salsa verde recipe. We hope you enjoyed it.